Hi guys, welcome to my channel and I hope that you're all doing well. Today I have done this soft matte makeup look and I love playing with different type of matte shadows, so I just thought of filming this video and show it to you that how I do this. So yeah, if you guys are interested to see that how I have done this makeup looks, then please keep on watching, and without much further ado, let's just start with the video. I have already prepped my skin by applying moisturizer and lip balm, and I have also done my eyebrows because it always takes a little bit longer time doing your eyebrows. So let's just now focus on to the foundation part. For the foundation today I'm using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation and I'm in the shade Cream Beige. This is the foundation which recently I picked up and I am really loving it so far. As I have heavily moisturized my face today, so I am skipping the primer part as the moisturizer will help to hold on the foundation onto your face. But if you wish, like, you can definitely go with your primer at first and then apply the foundation. So here I am applying the foundation in dots. This foundation comes in this kind of applicator. I really love the fact that this foundation blends very easily and it doesn't leave any marks or any kind of line onto your face. So I'm taking my damp beauty blender and I will be blending this. This foundation is getting blended so easily. So as you can see that it gives such an even skin tone and it doesn't look cakey at all. It looks very natural onto your face, and so far that's the reason I am liking this foundation so much. Now for the concealer, I am taking this Colorpop No Filter Concealer and I'm in the shade Medium. I'm applying under my eyes and I will be also using this concealer as a primer for my eyeshadow. Little bit on my forehead, on my nose, around my mouth. Now I need to blend this very well and I am blending this once again with my damp beauty blender. If you wish, you can also use a brush, whichever suits you. I really love this concealer. This is a very budget friendly concealer and it really helps to conceal all the dark circle under your eyes, as well as if there is any blemish mark or acne. This concealer really works like magic. And with the help of my ring finger, I am blending this concealer which I've applied on my eyelid. Now the foundation and the concealer part has already been done. Now comes to set all the foundation and the concealer properly, and in order to do this, I will be using this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Polish powder. Recently I posted a detail about this press powder on my Instagram account. If you guys are not following me out there, do check that out. This is, I feel, that one of the best press powder from drugstore. I am in the shade Classic Ivory 120. So I am just focusing mainly onto the areas where I have applied my concealer. So for the soft matte look today, I am using this palette from Colorpop, which is this Colorpop Yes palette. This is the palette which I just love among all the palettes which Colorpop has released. It has all the warm shadows and I absolutely love each and every color. So at first, for my crease, I will be taking this shade called Big Cocktails. I'm just taking a brush, tapping off the excess, and just in a circular motion we'll be depositing the colors. You need a very soft hand on this. Now the next shade which I will be applying, it will be just beneath this. You will not be pulling the color straight to your eyelid. You will just be applying the next color just at this point and will not go beyond that. So for that I will be using this shade called Chauffeur. I'm just taking another blending brush. If you wish, you can use the same brush with which you have done your first eyeshadow. And now from here, from this point, I'm just slowly in a circular motion filling the color. I'm not coming down and I'm not going beyond this. Now for the end of my eyelid, the color which I will be using is this color. This is called Louis. This is one of my favorite color in this palette. Now I will be concentrating only at the end of my eyelid. So I am depositing this color on a circular motion. I am not bringing this color till here. I am just using this space only. Blending is the key, guys, so you need to be patient while blending your eyeshadow. So as you can see that I have brought the colors only till here and I have not touched this area, which is the center of the eyelid. Now for the center of my eyelid, I will be using this color called Bling. I'm taking a flat brush like this and I'm taking a little bit of this color. I'm dusting off the excess. Then I am applying this only onto the center of my eyelid. So now you can see that these two shades doesn't look like that you have applied two different shades, because the continuity is there. So for this you need to blend it properly so that the continuity remains. So now with a clean blending brush, I'm just blending so that there are no harsh edges. So for the eyeliner today, I am using this Physicians Formula Eyeliner Booster. Now for my lower lash line, I will be using this eye pencil from Physicians Formula. I have recently shown this in my February favorites. Now I am curling my lashes. Now for the mascara, I am using this Pure Cosmetics Fully Charged Mascara. I think I received this in one of my subscription box last month. Now for my lower lash line, I will be mixing these two shadows together and I will be using this. I normally keep the color same as that to my eyeshadow. I normally don't use any different color on my lower lash line. And now for my lower lashes, I will be using this mascara from Wet n Wild. Now I'm a person who actually apply a different mascara for my lower lashes, but you guys can carry on according to your own wish. The mascara which you are using for your upper lashes, you can do that as well for your lower lashes. Now for my bronzer, I'm using this Lisa Frank Glamour Dolls. I'm taking it under my jawline as well, a little on my forehead. Now for the blush, I'm using this BH Cosmetics blush and I'm taking this soft nude color. Now for the highlighter, I'm taking this Merry Luminizer from the Balm Cosmetics. This is a very subtle highlighter. Just applying a little bit on here. You can see the glow. Apply a little bit on my Cupid's bow. I'll apply the same highlighter under my brows and also to the inner corner of my eyes. For the lip shade, I'm taking this Colorpop lipsticks. I think this is the shade Tauras. So as you can see that this is such a beautiful shade. So this completes the makeup look, and as you can see that this is not at all difficult. It's only that you always have to remember that whatever makeup you do, blending is the most important thing. Without proper blending, the makeup will not look flawless. So this was all about in today's video. I hope you have liked it. If so, please hit on the like button and do consider subscribing. Till then, you all take care, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.